Hi guys, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. This is Subbaraju. Second video session on cascading style sheets mechanism. In this video session, particularly I am going to discuss with you types of style sheets. How many types of style sheets available? What is the meaning of style sheet? In the live environment, these styles we are implementing in three ways. First one is inline styles. Second one is internal style sheets. These are popularly known as embedded style sheets. Third one is external style sheets. Maximum these three types we are implementing. One by one practically I'll try to show you inline styles, internal style sheets, external style sheets. Style means collection of properties. So in the sense, we can apply styles sheet level, sheets level and line level. That line level is called inline style sheets. If we specify the style inside a tag, a specific tag, that too within the body part. So those styles we are calling as inline styles. Practically that inline styles mechanism we can observe. For example, if you are going to practical mechanism, doc type as usual standards, header section, style, type is equal to text or CSS, paragraph and style close, header section close. Now inside that I am using one property, color. I said simply red. Come down to body area, body, and I said paragraph. Welcome to styles. Very simple one. Yesterday whatever I shown, same thing I am showing. But here paragraph means yesterday I said already selector. When we are coming to CSS syntax, three parts available. Please refer my previous video session. Now I am running on my screen on any web browser. Now the same line I want to change as blue color. Not possible. Possible means again you need to change your blue, but without changing color, not possible. Two times blue only applied. Not like that. One paragraph I want red color, one paragraph I want blue, means not possible. Not possible in the sense I am unable to write code, that is not the sense. One time if you write code, I want to inherit multiple times, not possible at inline styles. Because inline styles are not a cascading mechanism. That time better these styles we can implement like this. Body tag directly inside body. For example, italic. Welcome to inline styles. Same example, little bit different I am showing. Inline styles. So italic level, close that. Same line I am duplicating. Right, I am changing as P paragraph. Again this one also I am changing. And B bold, and this one also B bold. So inline styles aura. Just run it. If you need doc type you can add, not compulsory. Better always standards, healthy programming. Right, doc type HTML I said I made. Okay, good. Inline styles, welcome to. But italic, paragraph and bold. No, there is no style applied. Now I am applying. For example, style equal to color blue. Okay, color blue will add 00 FF. Okay, right. Now the same color style I want to apply here also. Then you need to duplicate. There is no chance of the inherit. Right, I duplicated. This color I am changing to FF, only red color I want. And this color I am changing to green color. Right, let me cut it and paste here. Yes, now run it. Three colors available you can. So once opened one, style is equal to color you need to. Yes, after that one you need colon. Right. right, separation. So whenever we are writing syntax, in previous video session already I said, color means property, colon, value. Value whatever you want you can apply. Right, so these three inline styles available. But here I declared one color, here another color, here another color. I want to keep this color here, means possible, but same color you need to write. Without writing, not possible. So inline styles, wherever you declared, that line only affected. Same styles unable to apply to another line without writing those properties. That is called inline style speciality. Another property I am applying. For example, font size. Font size. Write 10 pixel, I said simply. Write size. Same, let me duplicate 10 pixel. I want to show here 20 pixel. I want to show here 30 pixels and 30 pixels. Right, great. Now refresh. Perfect. So 10, 20, 30. Now this 30 I want to apply here without writing means, I hope you understood now correctly. Not possible. Good. Inline styles applicable. All tags only within the body, because styles are not applicable to header section. So second category we can say means inline style sheets after internal style sheets. These are popularly known as embedded style sheets. This is embedded style sheets mechanism. If we specify the styles in our HTML file, only that file. For example, I created NareshIT.html one page. If you are applying those styles only on that page, NareshIT.html web page only. So those styles comes under internal or embedded style sheets. These styles cannot be used in other files. That means not possible to inherit to other page. Within the page we can inherit 10 times. Means I created NareshIT.html, for example, knackerservices.html. In knackerservices.html, whatever styles available, I am unable to inherit to NareshIT. In NareshIT.html, whatever styles available, I am unable to inherit to another page. Again, I am saying without writing. Without writing, inherit possible only on that particular page. Right, syntax very clearly I mentioned. HTML head section, style type is equal to required styles you can provide. And now I am showing this one. By default, whatever example so far I implemented, all those are comes under that styles only. Again I am writing HTML header section and I am writing title, doesn't require, only perfect standard. One example I am showing internal style sheets, head section and body open, body close, HTML close. Inside observe style type is equal to always optional text or CSS. It is a MIME type, not compulsory. Style. Now I am giving here any tag we can use. Right, several properties. Color, any color. Background color. One by one I'll show you. First, let me complete this. Div within the page. Welcome to internal style sheets. Now I am running on the web page. Perfect. Now I am applying here background color light green. Yes. And after that one I want to apply font size 20 pixels. SIZ. Yes. After that one font family. Anyone we can apply font family. Good. But here in this page any number of times you can duplicate. No problem. Here you can inherit n number of times. But the same one you are unable to call to another page, as I said in the previous example, NareshIT.html, knackerservices.html. So two types of style sheets already shown. One is inline styles, another one is internal or embedded style sheets. Third one, important one, external style sheets. If you specify the styles other than current HTML, means one time if you declare the styles outside our HTML file, that means of other than this file, then they are called external styles. Means CSS file we are creating separately, HTML file or files we are creating separately. This CSS file directly we are unable to execute on the web browser, because web browser by default supports HTML as exe, but CSS file, save it .cs and try to run it, you are unable to view output. Try that one also. So that time we are integrating these two files. I am creating one small picture also for that. These styles can be reusable, they can be more than one file. I said one CSS, many HTML files, maybe many CSS files, many HTML files. The change means if you save external file .css extension, and if you are modifying, for example, one CSS file is there, I attach to, for example, 10 HTML files. If you modify in this CSS file one time, how many times it is reflecting? 10 times, obviously correct. So the syntax, the related syntax. In the live projects environment, commonly we are using external style sheets. Now practically, before going to practical session, let me show you picture wise what happening exactly here. Remove it and I am coming to web page. On the web page I am showing, for example, it is one cascading style sheet file. Observe carefully, it is .css file, it is a normal text file. Then you will get a doubt also, what is the meaning of normal text file? You observed or not, every CSS file writing time I am using style type is equal to text or CSS. The meaning is my style sheets are equal to text type. Text files, can we run directly on the web browser? No. That is the reason I wrote it is a normal text file. It contains only CSS styles. No tags. No in the sense, not in the format of angular brackets. It contains a pure English text type. So it is CSS file. Now I am creating this as step 1. So once step 1 I created, I am trying to create one HTML, second HTML, third HTML, like this, n number of HTMLs. How many means n number of HTML files. So imagine this is .html file, this is .htm, anyone, it is related to HTML or not, that is important. Like this n number of HTML files available, and here this is step 2. Now these HTML files are equal to exe. I am showing that 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these are executable files. Now these executable files we can run on any web browser directly. So we are running, because these HTML files required some colorful styles, that time styles available here. So these pages I am linking to here. I am linking to here. Using which tag you are linking? Link tag. There is a tag available. Link tag. This link tag you want to observe means please refer my video 2 in HTML sessions. You are getting a clear idea related to this link tag. So which resources I am linking to whom? Cascading style sheets resources I am linking to HTML file. Reason, it is a non-executable. It is an executable. Directly unable to run, directly can able to run. Now link tag I used, using this tag, and we are linking CSS resource to HTML file. Link syntax, there is no space to write, I am reading out. Link href hypertext reference equal to path of the resources, rel relation equal to kind of relation to the HTML file, type of the resources to the HTML. So this is the link tag syntax. Now you linked that this one CSS file to all these HTML files. Now simply I am going to execute exe. These exes run on any major web browser. This is a perfect picture for you to understand in a better way external style sheets mechanism. So if you modify one time here, it is reflecting here. See how many times available, those many times. Now for better understanding, I am writing another point here. The point is external style sheet. These are the HTML files. So this diagram practically one by one I am proving. So how I am giving the resources using link tag. Good. I think you understood very clearly this. Right. Disappear. Step 1 I am creating .css file. Right. Without wasting a valuable time, already I kept .css file readily here. You only observe clearly. Show me any tag available here. No. Then you should ask immediately, div is tag. No. Tag means what? Where is the angular bracket? Now what we are calling a div? Tag? No. Selector. Correct. Property value. So perfectly there is a CSS file ready. Already saved with one.css, my style.cs, any name. The name is not matter here. .css extension is there or not, that is a matter. Okay, .cs extension available. Now I am coming to HTML file. I am writing simple code. Doc type HTML head section, inside the head link tag href. My file name is one.css global path and rel relation equal to style sheets, because link syntax I am talking. Type is equal to text or CSS. Completed. Header section close. So I am calling the resources to header section. We can close double quotation, single quotation, no problem. Now this is HTML file. How can you say? Angular brackets clearly available. Now for example, I am coming to body level, and body level, that selector name I need to call. What is that name? Div. Yes, see how I use now angular brackets. It is a tag because it is HTML file. Now welcome to external style sheets. Right. div close means select or close. Right. So once you closed, yeah, I am running. So it whatever the styles it required, it is importing from one.css. Now I am saving this one. Save with what extension? Correct, exactly, .html extension. Once I save .html extension, yes, I want to run this on any web browser. Welcome to external style sheets. Come back to my CSS file, and once you can modify in the CSS file, what color is there? Green is there. I want, for example, red color. Yes, red color, and modified. Refresh. Perfect. So for example, your CSS file available another location. Happily right click on the file, wherever the file available, go to properties, copy the path, put there. Where? Here. Put there in the sense here. Already shown this one, because local path, global path, root path, web path, and most important in the real time, global path. No means observe, immediately I will show you that one. Right, and one.css available in my system, some XYZ location, imagine on the desktop available, that is. Maybe another name, no problem, any name. KS Raju name available. What is there? Any name. KS Raju name available. Happy. Right. So here this file available. Right click on that one. Right click, properties, copy the path, local path I am doing. Copy it, come to your source code and paste the source, backslash, and I am giving ksraju.css, and type I am removing, because type is always optional attribute. Now once that is completed, now I am coming, refreshing, output what happens, flap. Local path, some browsers supports, some browsers may not support. That time we are using file path, file:// Now I am running. Yes, perfect. So this is external style sheets mechanism. One style sheet we can attach to n number of HTML files. Thank you for watching my video sessions. For more video sessions, log on to youtube.com/NareshIT.